Today we are going to learn about mastering structured logging with JSON. You will discover how to implement structured logging using JSON to improve log parsing and analysis skills. Welcome to our session on mastering structured logging with JSON. In today's digital landscape, structured logging has become a crucial component for efficient log management. But what exactly is structured logging? Unlike traditional unstructured logs, structured logging organizes log data into a consistent and easily parsable format. This format often includes key value pairs, making it easier to search, filter, and analyze logs. As systems grow more complex, the need for effective log management becomes paramount. In this video, we'll explore how JSON plays a pivotal role in structured logging, offering a streamlined approach to log parsing and analysis. Throughout this session, we'll cover a range of topics from the fundamentals of structured logging to advanced implementation techniques using JSON. Let's embark on this journey to enhance your logging skills and bring efficiency to your log management processes. To appreciate the advantages of structured logging, we must first understand the difference between structured and unstructured logs. Unstructured logs are typically plain text entries, often containing various pieces of information like timestamps, error messages, and user activities, jumbled together without a consistent format. This makes parsing and searching such logs a cumbersome task. On the other hand, structured logs use a uniform format, often employing JSON, to encapsulate log data in key value pairs. This format not only enhances readability but also allows automated parsing by log management tools. Consider an error message. An unstructured log might appear as a block of text, while a structured log will break it down into fields like timestamp, error_code, and message. As the complexity of applications increases, the transition from unstructured to structured logs becomes imperative. Structured logs provide a clear advantage by supporting automated log processing, improved searchability, and enhanced analytics capabilities. Throughout this video, we'll delve deeper into these aspects and illustrate how structured logging can revolutionize your log management practices.
Structured logging offers numerous benefits that significantly enhance the efficiency of log management. First and foremost, structured logs improve readability. By organizing log data into a coherent structure, developers and system administrators can quickly identify relevant information without sifting through cumbersome text blocks. This structured approach also facilitates automated log parsing and searching. Tools can effortlessly extract specific fields, such as error codes or user IDs, allowing for dynamic filtering and querying. Additionally, structured logs support improved data analysis and troubleshooting. With consistent log formats, patterns and anomalies within the log data become more apparent, enabling faster identification and resolution of issues. Furthermore, structured logging seamlessly integrates with monitoring and alerting tools, such as ELK Stack or Splunk, providing comprehensive insights into system performance and health. Lastly, as applications scale, structured logs maintain their efficiency by offering a scalable and manageable solution for large volumes of log data. These benefits collectively empower organizations to optimize their log management processes, ensuring that they can respond promptly to challenges and maintain operational excellence. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy to read and write for humans and machines alike. Its simplicity and versatility make it a popular choice for structured logging. JSON syntax is based on a collection of key value pairs, which are enclosed in curly braces. Each key is a string, and its corresponding value can be a string, number, object, array, true, false, or null. This structured approach aligns perfectly with the needs of logging by providing a consistent format that can encapsulate diverse data types. For example, a JSON log entry might include fields like timestamp, level, message, and application. These fields can be easily parsed and queried, enabling efficient log management. JSON's hierarchical structure also allows for nesting, where complex data can be represented in a nested manner, further enhancing its utility in logging scenarios. As we navigate through this video, we'll explore how JSON's inherent characteristics provide a robust foundation for structured logging and how you can leverage it to enhance your application's log management capabilities.
Setting up JSON logging in Python is a straightforward process, thanks to Python's built-in logging module. To begin, you need to configure a logger with a JSON formatter. Python's logging module allows you to define handlers that specify the format and destination of log messages. By using a JSON formatter, you can ensure that your log entries are formatted in JSON. Here's a simple example. Start by importing the logging module and configuring a logger. Create a handler, such as a file handler, to direct log output to a file. Next, define a JSON formatter with a format string that specifies the JSON structure, including keys like timestamp, level, and message. Attach the JSON formatter to the handler and add the handler to the logger. With this setup, your log messages will be output as JSON objects. For more advanced functionality, you might consider using third-party libraries like Python JSON Logger, which offer extended features and ease of use. By the end of this section, you'll have a functional JSON logger in Python, ready to enhance your application's logging capabilities.
Java developers can leverage popular logging frameworks like Log4j to set up JSON logging. Log4j is a versatile logging library that supports various output formats, including JSON. To configure JSON logging in a Java application, start by including the Log4j library in your project dependencies. Next, create a Log4j configuration file, such as log4j2.xml, and define an appender for JSON output. Specify the JSON layout as the layout for the appender, which will format log messages in JSON. In your Java code, configure the logger to use the JSON appender from the configuration file. With this setup, your log messages will be output as JSON objects, ready for parsing and analysis. Testing the JSON log output involves running your application and verifying that the log entries are correctly formatted as JSON. Integrating JSON logging into your Java application enhances its logging capabilities, making log data more accessible and usable for monitoring and troubleshooting. As we progress, we'll explore how to extend these concepts to other programming languages, ensuring that you can implement JSON logging across your technology stack.
When implementing JSON logging, adhering to best practices for log fields and keys is essential to ensure consistency and usability. Start by maintaining consistency in field naming across all log entries. Use clear, descriptive names that convey the purpose of the field, such as timestamp, log_level, message, and user_id. Including essential log fields is crucial for effective log management. Common fields include timestamp for recording the time of the log entry, level for indicating the log severity, and message for the actual log content. Avoid including sensitive information in log entries, such as passwords or personal data, to protect user privacy and adhere to data protection regulations. Timestamps and log levels are particularly important, as they facilitate sorting and filtering of log entries. Consider incorporating custom fields to capture application-specific information, such as transaction_id or session_id, which can aid in tracing user actions and identifying issues. By following these best practices, you'll create structured logs that are both informative and secure, enhancing your ability to monitor and troubleshoot your applications effectively. Once you have implemented JSON logging, the next step is to parse and search the log entries effectively. Several tools are available for parsing JSON logs, each offering unique features for extracting and analyzing log data. One such tool is JQ, a lightweight and flexible command-line JSON processor. With JQ, you can filter, map, and transform JSON data, making it easier to extract specific information from log entries. For more advanced querying and visualization, consider using the ELK stack, which includes Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. Elasticsearch allows you to index JSON logs, Logstash facilitates data processing, and Kibana provides a powerful interface for querying and visualizing log data. In addition to these tools, regular expressions can be used to search JSON logs for patterns, although this approach may require additional effort due to JSON's structured nature. Automating JSON log analysis involves setting up scripts or using log management platforms that can regularly process and analyze logs, alerting you to anomalies and providing insights into application performance. By mastering these techniques, you'll be equipped to handle JSON logs efficiently, ensuring that you can derive valuable information from your application's logging data.
Troubleshooting JSON logs is an essential skill for maintaining a reliable logging system. One common issue is handling malformed JSON logs, which can occur if log entries are not correctly formatted. To address this, ensure that your logging configuration properly escapes special characters and adheres to JSON syntax. Large log files can pose performance challenges, as they require more resources to parse and analyze. Implementing log rotation and archiving strategies helps manage log file sizes and maintain performance. Performance issues can also arise from inefficient log parsing. Optimize your log processing pipeline by using efficient tools and configurations. Ensuring log consistency across different components of your application is crucial for effective analysis. Verify that all log entries adhere to the defined structure and contain the necessary fields. Debugging JSON logging setup involves reviewing your logging configuration and code to identify any misconfigurations or errors. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can maintain a robust JSON logging system, ensuring that your logs provide accurate and actionable insights into your application's behavior. As we conclude this session on mastering structured logging with JSON, let's recap the key takeaways. Structured logging offers significant benefits over traditional unstructured logs, enhancing readability, searchability, and analysis capabilities. JSON's format is particularly suited for structured logging, providing a consistent and easily parsable structure for log data. Throughout this video, we've explored various techniques for setting up JSON logging in different programming languages, emphasizing the importance of adhering to best practices for log fields and keys. We've also covered tools and methods for parsing and troubleshooting JSON logs, ensuring that you can derive valuable insights from your application's log data. As you move forward, I encourage you to implement JSON logging in your applications, leveraging the skills and knowledge gained from this session to optimize your log management processes. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mastering structured logging with JSON.